Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Ayurveda, the best research. Now I am introducing one of the serious disease, that is Rakta Pitta. Rakta Pitta refers to hemorrhagic disease and it is one of the disease which is mentioned in the 15th century. Charakacharya has described it in the chapter immediately after the Jwara as it is arises due to the Santapa caused as a result of the Jwara. Whereas Shushrutacharya has described it after discussing the Pandu as they have the common causative factors. Now we will see the Nirukti of the Raktapitta disease. संयोगात दूषणात् ततो सामान्यात् गंधवर्णयोः रक्तस्य पित्तम् आख्यातं रक्तपित्त मनीषिभिः. संयोगात it means the association or the combination. The pitta always stays associated with the rakta. This association causes the vitiated pitta to contaminate the rakta. Doshanat means the tendency to contaminate or vitiate. The pitta having the samayoga with the rakta tends to vitiate the rakta. Samanyat gandhavarnayoho. It means the pitta attains the similarity with the rakta in terms of the gandha, that is smell, and in varna, that is color. In rakta pitta, the pitta or the color or the smell of the pitta is not identified separately since it gets blended with the increased rakta. So we can conclude that these all things leads to the capillary breakdown causing the hemorrhage from the external orifices like mouth, nose and ear. Next is Nidana. Gharma, Vyayama, Shoka, Adva, Vyavayai iti sevitaha Tikshna Ushna Kshara Lavanai Amlehi Katubhirevacha. It means that the excessive consumption of the diet that are amla, sour, katu, pungent, lavana, saline, rasayukta ahara, and also intake of the excessive tikshna, that is sharp, ushna, hot, kshara, alkaline, gunayukta ahara. Dhanarthakara vihara is Gharma, excessive exposed to the heat of sun, Vyayama, excessive physical exercise, Shoka, excessive grief, and last Adva, excessive walking. Next is Purvarupa. Sadanam Shita Kamitva Kantat Dhumayanam Vamihi Loha Gandhischa Nishvasaha Bhavatyasmin Bhavishyanti. Sadanam, it means the less body activities. Shita Kamitva means the person wants to take the cold things. Dhumayanam means the hot fumes coming out from the mouth. Vami means the vomiting. And Loha Gandhischa means when Loha gets burnt, like that the smell comes out when the person respires. Next is Samprapti. Pittam vidagdham svagunair vidyahatyashu shonitam tataha pravartate raktam urdhvam cha adho vidaha apiva. It means that the disease Rakta Pitta develops and manifests as the pathogenesis runs through the below mentioned steps. Pitta aggravated by the above said nidanas and leaves its site and reaches the rakta, that is blood. Being a mala, that is waste product of the rakta, the pitta on getting mixed with the rakta attains the quantitative increase. The pitta in turn vitiates the rakta due to the heat of the pitta. The liquid portion of the other tissues like mansa, that is muscles, and the meda, that is fats, etc. oozes out of their respective tissues and gets mixed with the rakta. This further enhances the quantity of the blood flowing in the blood vessels, creating the immense pressure in the blood vessels. Due to the pressure of the blood and the heat of the pitta, the walls of the blood vessels get damaged and the blood starts flowing through the various openings of the body. Bleeding occurs through the mouth, nose, ear, skin, anus, penis and vagina. This bleeding of the blood vitiated by the pitta through the various orifices of the body is called as the Rakta Pitta. Now, Samprapti Ghatakas, Dosha, Pitta Pradhana Tridosha, Dushya, Rakta, Agni, Jatharagni and Raktadhatvagni, Strotas, Raktavaha Strotas, Strotadushta Prakara, Ati Pravrutti, Udbhavasthana, Pitta Pradhana Amasheya, Adhishtana, Romakupa, Vyaktasthana, Urdhva and Adha, Rogamarga Bhaya. Next is Bhedas, that is classification. Based upon the Marga, it has three types: Urdhvaga Rakta Pitta, Adhoga Rakta Pitta and Ubhayaga Rakta Pitta. In Urdhvaka Raktapitta, bleeding occurs from the upper parts of the body, that is Mukha, mouth, Nasa, nose, Karna, ear, Akshi, eyes. In Adhoka Raktapitta, bleeding occurs from the lower parts of the body, that is Guda, anal orifice, Medra, urethral orifice, and Yoni, vaginal orifice. In Ubhayaka Raktapitta, bleeding occurs from the combination of the above two, that is bleeding occurs from the all orifices. Based upon the Drosha Pradhanata, it has 7 types: Ekadoshaja, Dvidoshaja and Sannipataja, Vata Pitta Kapha, Vata Pitta, Pitta Kapha and Vata Kapha and Sannipataja. In the Vataja Raktapitta, blood is Safena, that is frothy, Tanu, dilute, Ruksha, dry, shower, blackish blue or blackish brown color, Aruna, yellow or golden yellow color. In Pittaja Raktapitta, blood is Kashaya, that is decoction, Krishna, that is black, and Gomutra Sannibham, that is cow's urine color. In Kaphaja Raktapitta, blood is Sapandu, that is pale color, Pichila, that is slimy, Sandra, that is thick, and Sasneha. Next is Sadhya Sadhyata, Urdhva Sadhya Adhoyapyam, Sadhyam Yugapadkatham. Urdhvaga Raktapitta is Sadhya, Adhoga Raktapitta is Yapya, and Ubhayaga Raktapitta is Asadhya. Next is Upashaya, Nahi Sanshothanam Kinchitastasya Pratimargakam, Pratimargam cha Haranam Raktapitte Vidhyate. It means that elimination of the causative vitiated dosha from the opposite direction of its manifestation is the key of the management of the Raktapitta disease. That is, Urdhvaka Raktapitta is treated by the Virechana and Adhoka Raktapitta is treated by the Vamana. In Urdhvaka Raktapitta, Tarpana should be given in the beginning, and in Adhoka Raktapitta, Peya should be given in the beginning. Vihara for the Raktapitta disease: Shali, Nivara, Koradusha, Mugdha, Masura, Patola, Nimba and Plaksha. Person have to take the food which is easy to digest, that is Mrudu and Shitala Gunayukta Ahara and Madhura Tikta Kashaya Rasayukta Ahara, which includes old rice, barley, kidney beans, raw sugar, honey, sugarcane, ghruta, banana, almond and meat soup. And in Vihara, person have to take appropriate rest, normal physical exercise, not to take too much tension, avoid direct exposure to the heat of sun. Raktapitta is Mahakada, that is dreadful disease, which has Mahaveka, having severe intensity in terms of the heavy bleeding, which is life-threatening, and it is a Shigrakari, which destroys the body quickly, just as a small spark of fire destroys a big heap of grass, that is, it quickly brings out the death of individual. Therefore, a wise physician who has skills of the diagnosing this disease as quickly as possible should treat its disease immediately without any delay.